Hi CMH friends, I am Ramona Williams, the Alexander Specialist at Children's Museum Houston, and I am outside by FloatWorks. I am so glad that you have joined me today because today is time for Brain Builder. Okay, so today we are going to do a mini projector for our Brain Builder. It is such a simple activity, but it is promised to give you loads of fun. So here are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need an empty paper towel or toilet paper roll, rubber bands, a flashlight. Now, if you don't have a flashlight, most camera phones these days actually have a flashlight, so you can use a flashlight from your phone. A pair of scissors, cellophane or some type of plastic, as well as dry erase markers or some type of markers that you have, and then we get to make our mini projector. So here it goes. You'll take your empty toilet paper roll, set it to the side. I'm going to move this flashlight for just a second. And you're going to cut some either plastic. Let me tell you the secret about this plastic. This came in packaging, right? So I didn't even have to pay for it. So it came in packaging and I cut it about 4 inches wide and long. So 4 inches. And if it's longer, it really doesn't matter. All that matters is that it will cover the top of your toilet paper roll, okay? So that's what the scissors would be for. Now, before you cover your toilet paper roll, you're gonna take your plastic and let's see, it really doesn't matter the color, but I think I'm going to use green. So you're going to take it and draw something that you want to be projected on the wall. I think I'm going to do a smiley face. The trick here too is to make sure that it is small enough to fit the opening of your toilet paper roll. So here's my smiley face. And my next step is to put it on top of my toilet paper roll and hold it. So we're gonna hold it down. Make sure that you can see the smiley face. And then our last step, believe it or not, is just to take a rubber band and put it over to hold the plastic in place. And we have just made a mini projector. I think it's time for us to see how it works. So I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Something so simple as a toilet paper roll and plastic, we turned it into a projector. And don't forget your light. I used the light from my phone and our kids had a blast doing it. So I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. Yes, we are open. Come visit us and enjoy the fun. I know I am. You know, I think it's kind of hot. I might go have a little fun in FloatWorks for a second. Bye.